How to fix unable to install Scarlet on Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can fix the issue of you not being able to download Scarlet app onto your device. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So one of the reason may be because you don't have a good internet connection. So you may just simply go to your Wi-Fi and see if you have a good internet connection or not. If you don't have it, you may just switch up to a network with greater speed and try reinstalling the application onto the device. So the next thing is we can just clear the cache of Google Play Store. For that, you just need to go to your settings, main settings of your phone. And here, scroll down until you see apps. After that, simply search for Play Store. You can see these Google Play Services or Play Store. I'm just going to go under Play Store. Yeah. Under this app, simply go under Storage and tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data if necessary. After that, try installing the application onto your device. If that doesn't work, the next thing we can do is make sure you have updated your device as well, because that app may require a new update on your phone. So maybe that app may be available on the new updated phone only. So that may be one of the reasons. So make sure if you have any kind of software update, make sure you have updated your phone. So another thing you can do is also restart your phone and try reinstalling the application. After doing also, you may just simply go to Play Store and search for Scarlet. After doing all, you may simply go to Scarlet and try downloading the application on the device. So therefore, just by following those steps, you should be able to download the Scarlet app onto the device. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.